Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs. A good deal. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2019 Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.